How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can simply export batch in Gyroflow. So if you have a lot of clips that you want to export together, basically this is the way to do this. The first thing that you want to do is to just import your clip, make the adjustments that you want to, and then under the export button, you can then select the add to renderer queue. Now, basically with this one, it will just add it onto the queue itself. It will not start exporting all together. And basically right after, you could just keep uploading your clips. Let's go ahead and upload this one for the next. And let's just do the same thing where we can add it onto our render queue. And then it will simply look something like this. And now if you're ready to export everything together, just click on the start exporting button. And from there, you're good to go. Now, of course, you have additional options right here to choose from, but generally that's going to be it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.